In this video, I'm going to show you why holding 45 million Bonk token is going to make you rich in the heat of the bull market. And the reason why I prefer right now trading Dogwifhat and holding Bonk in the heat of the bull market. That means if you want to hold between Bonk and Dogwifhat, right now I prefer you holding Bonk instead of Dogwifhat. And I want to show you that in this very video. So watch the video till the very end, and also Bitcoin price analysis. So let's dive right into the details. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Dogwifhat is on the Solana blockchain, and also Bonk is on the Solana blockchain. So this both meme token runs on the Solana blockchain. Now Dogwifhat is trading at $2.12 at the current market price, and Bonk is at 0.4023 at this current market price right now on the TradingView chart. Right now, Bonk is doing very well. The same thing with Dogwifhat. Okay, so if you look at the yearly performance, you discover that Bonk is also on the right, is pumping to the upside, but we can't find Dogwifhat around this very area on crypto bubbles. And this is also very important. Now, I am not saying Dogwifhat is not a super cool crypto. It is, but I would prefer holding Bonk in this bull market compared to Dogwifhat. So what I would do is, instead of holding Dogwifhat in the long time, I would prefer holding Bonk in the long run. Remember, both of them runs on the Solana blockchain. Dogwifhat have a capitalization of $2.1 billion, and Bonk is far way lower than this, and this is ranked at number 44 on the coin market cap by ranking. If you look at it, the total supply right at this very point is equal to the circulating supply at this very area, and like I said, it is on the Solana blockchain. What I notice about this very token is that, let's say for example, you bought when it was very low, then it will be a nice coin to hold for a long time. Let's say for example, you bought below $1, that is at 0.18, okay, 0.18 cents. It would have been a good coin to hold or token to hold. And right now it is trading at 2.11, and remember, it has hit up to this price level of 4.85, okay, which is very significant. So I believe it's going to do very well. So what I would prefer doing on Dogwifhat is to trade it. I would prefer using it for day-to-day trading instead of holding it for a long period of time. Now, if you are using Bonk in place of Dogwifhat, and let's say for example you want to trade with a $1,000, let's say you are holding Bonk with a $1,000 and you want to hold it for a long time in the heat of the bull market. So if you buy at the current market price, which is 0.40229, so if you divide these by 0.40229, okay, you're going to have this quantity of Bonk, which is 43 million Bonk, okay, that you are going to be holding in this very long time into the heat of the bull market. And if Bonk rise from this very price and cancel just 2 zeros, because that is a very realistic expectation, if Bonk rise and cancel 2 zeros, that is, if you multiply this by 0.001, okay, if it cancels those 2 zeros from here, then this is the amount you should be making in the heat of the bull market. This is $43,000. It can go above that. That possibility is also there. Now, if you take the same $1,000 and you are buying Dogwifhat at this very price right now to the upside, you discover that the amount you're going to make in the heat of the bull market is going to be a little bit lower compared to what Bonk is going to give to you in the heat of the bull market. So from here, if you take the same $1,000 and you buy right now at 2.10 cents, that is $2, you're going to have this quantity of Dogwifhat in your portfolio. This is just 476 pieces of Dogwifhat. And in the heat of the bull market, I am expecting this to hit $25 and $30. That is a very realistic expectation. So if you multiply this by $25 in the heat of the bull run, this is my personal opinion, you're going to have $11,000. Okay, if you compare $11,000 to $43,000, this is a great difference. Okay, that is why it is preferable to look at this very meme token when they are very, very low after doing your research and your research apply and buy them into your portfolio. So I believe strongly that Bonk is going to give you more money, is going to make you rich compared to Dogwifhat if you are buying right now. Now, I'm not talking about those that bought at the very, very low around this very area when it was below $1. If you bought below $1 with $1,000, you should be in massive, massive profit right now. But if you are comparing these two tokens that is on the same blockchain, which is the Solana blockchain, and you want to buy Dogwifhat compared to Bonk, I will prefer buying Bonk instead of Dogwifhat because of this simple calculation. It have the capacity of giving me the most return out of my investment in the heat of the bull run. Remember, this is for a very long time, guys. So that means I would prefer trading this for my short-term trading, not for long-term holding. So Bonk is preferable to Dogwifhat for a long-time holding for me right now. So if you want to buy Bonk, like I said earlier, this is the right time to jump in and buy right now. If you notice, the markets have retraced all the way from here to the downside. So this is a nice opportunity to buy again from this very point before the market is going to move to the upside. And I said you can dollar cost average when you are buying. That means you can buy with 50% of what you want to use in buying at this very point. And then if the market goes down a little bit, because that possibility of market coming back down a little bit is there, then you buy from this very level of support. So from this very area, 50%, and then the market come back down a little bit into this very zone of support, you buy with the remaining 50%, or you use your dollar cost averaging the way you do use it when you are trading. But the bottom line is that Bonk is better right now for a long time hold to the upside, and it's going to pump hard to the upside. So this is the best time right now. If you look at Dogwifhat chart and if you look at the stochastic RSI, we discover that from here the market have started moving upward a little bit to the upside after this very drastic drop right down. And from here, I am expecting the market to rise a little bit, and then we're going to see little correction before that final move to the upside. And it is good for day-to-day trading. Okay, so if you want to trade, it is good for your day-to-day trading or your weekly trading. But for long-time hold, Bonk is preferable for me right now, and it have the capacity of giving you the highest return if you compare it to buying Dogwifhat with the same amount. So this is very, very cool right now, guys. Bonk is going to do very well. Dogwifhat is going to also do very, very well as well. Bitcoin is ranging within this very price level for the past 4 to 5 days, and I believe that from here, like I said, we're going to see reduced momentum on this very price chart before the market is going to begin to move to the upside, and this is going to take between 2 weeks, like I said earlier in one of my videos. And that is what I am still expecting right now for market to move from this area to the upside. And I told you about this very critical level of support of $56,000. Okay, so market can drop a little bit down from here to the downside, and then from this very level, market can then begin to move to the upside from here right to the upside. Because if you look at the RSI, which is on the chart right here, from this very point, market is going to go upward, because the last time market come into this very area of oversold condition, that was at this very area in August 2023, to be precise, on the 19th. After then, market come back down a little bit and then begin to move significantly to the upside. Okay, and market is already right now the same point, okay, into the oversold condition, and come out a little bit at this very point. I am expecting that very, very soon we're going to see the market begin to move upward on the RSI, and that movement, the market is going to begin to move upward again on the price chart. So this is very important right now, guys. This is what you need to pay attention to on the BTC USDT 1-day chart. And if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, which is presenting something different right here, reduce momentum from the BS at this very point. Look at it here. Market drop right down and then go to the upside with this very little movement, come back down again. You discover that the BS have no strength anymore to push the market back to the downside. What I am expecting is a breakout on critical resistance, which this resistance right here is very, very important, and this resistance at this point is also very important. Once we can break this resistance, that means once markets move upward and break this level of $66,000, market is going to begin to move to the upside. That will further verify that the bears are no longer in the market and the bulls are willing to push the market from this level to the upside on the 4-hour chart. The most important thing in this video is that for the 3 million bonk can make you rich in the heat of the bull market, compared to using the same amount to buy Dogwifhat. So right now, get some bonk into your portfolio. It is a nice meme token on the Solana blockchain, just like Dogwifhat. And this is very important, guys. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching.